In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact information on Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and head to the Yahoo sign-in page. If you see your account listed on the screen, click it to continue. If not, simply proceed to sign in. Type in your email address and select Next, then enter your password to complete the login. If Yahoo prompts you for verification, just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be brought right back to continue. Keeping your sign-in secure is important, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on getting into Mail and making the edit quickly. Once you're signed in, click Yahoo Mail to open your inbox. This ensures you're in the Mail interface where your contacts are accessible. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the icons and menus appear as expected. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to Contacts. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a Contacts label in the sidebar or a small Contacts icon. Clicking it opens your address book. Here you'll find your saved people and details you've stored for them over time. If your list is long, use the search field to type part of the person's name or email to find them faster. Next, click the specific contact you want to edit. This opens their detail view so you can confirm you're editing the right person. Now look for the three-dot menu, often called More Options. Click it to reveal additional actions, then choose Edit Contact. This takes you into the editable form for that person. Make your updates carefully. You can adjust the name, add or change email addresses, update phone numbers, and include items like a company, title, or notes. Keep the information accurate and consistent, and avoid duplicating fields. If you're replacing an old number or email, remove the outdated entry to keep things tidy. When you're finished, click Save to apply the changes. You should see the contacts card refresh with the updated information. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen Edit and tweak it, then save again. Take a moment to confirm that the changes now display in the contact list and in the detail view. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open Yahoo Mail, go to Contacts, pick the person you want, use the three-dot menu, choose Edit Contact, make your changes, and save. With these steps, you can keep your address book clean, accurate, and ready for your next email.